leg. Good girl. Keep a little kiss there. Excellent. Keep going. Keep that leg right around his rib cage. Excellent. Oops, say no. And let's scan her again. Keep squeezing. Every step he takes forward, you squeeze in. Every step he takes forward, you squeeze in. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Excellent. Keep squeezing now. Come on, give him a little tap with your stick. There we go. Beautiful. Excellent. And then find a spot to try a little lead change, okay? Keep squeezing. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. And tap with your stick if you need it. Tap, tap. There we go. Beautiful. Look ahead. Find a spot. Beautiful.
Huh?
Can we change in this ring?
Rachel, you want to cut right through here and try a lead change? Sure. Okay.
We gave him a big turnout this morning,
Mm-hmm.
so we have no idea how she rode.
Right, okay.
So you might be a little weary from that. Look at me. Eye on me. Come to me. Good. Get her right by me to the rail. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Now kick. Kick harder.